Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of AMT Ertl Snap-Fast. I just noticed that. This is a 125 scale kit. It's a 1997 Ford F150 pickup. And kit number 31963. Let's see if we can get that to focus. There you go. And this kit came out in 2003. That's interesting. Alright, ready? Let's go ahead and see what we got in here. This is a new unboxing. And we're going to go ahead and set that up there. Maybe here so you can see it. Alrighty. Molded in black, it looks like. And since the instructions are right here on top, I'm going to go ahead and go right through those. Alrighty, I'll pick you up for a minute. Looks like it's got a decent little write-up on the vehicle. Oh, you know what? I made a mistake. I think I just said it was round 2, but it says RC2. I don't know if that's the same company or not. I don't think so. Because Dyersville, Iowa, that was AMT Ertl. Okay. And, well, there's some decals that snuck out. Put them aside. Here's the instructions. First step is putting your wheels and tires together. And then they want you to file a lime. I don't know what that means. Some tweezers, the petite pinces, and a screwdriver, the tournevis. Okay. Didn't think you'd be getting French lessons today, did you? Yeah, we were talking about putting the axles in and putting them on the chassis. Now remember, this is snap together, which I didn't realize until just a couple moments ago. Let's see here. Step 4 is putting the interior together. They don't mention any kind of painting or anything. It's just slap it together. And then, let's see here. For step 6, put the box together. Attach it. Oh, it looks like it attaches to the chassis, to the cab. And then the cab and the bed, and then the chassis. And they screw together, which is neat. That's old style model built in there. And that's it for instructions, guys. Wow. So it's pretty basic. Skill level 1, that would explain it. For decals, let's see what we got for decals. Go ahead and grab some scissors, cut it right there. The wrong part came out, that's funny. Come on, there we go. Decals, we got some badging. Ford logo, 4x4. And you can read that better than I can. Yeah, it's something. I have to grab the magnifying glass. New Mexico. Huh. That's a different one. New Mexico, the name of the city is, or county or whatever is on there, but I can't make it out. So I'll set that back in the little bag. Put it off to the side. And then we'll get you looking at some parts. So here we have the chrome. Got, I'm going to assume that's the rear bumper. And then the front is just the wheels. And the tree itself looks like it could be used for a frame for a vehicle, but it's not. It's just a really thick tree. So that's cool. I'll go ahead and leave those in the bag since there's nothing else in there. And the body, some little parts, but these are really split up differently. Let me go ahead and cut this bag open. Wow, this is how it came in the bag, all put together almost, but it's really thick. Good quality plastic on this kit, better than regular glue together kits. Here's the glass separate, that's nice. The cab itself, if I stop dropping it, is decent. You know, clean it up a little bit, but if you wanted to just slap it together and use it for a toy for a kid, it would work fine. Put that aside. Here's the interior. Back seats are molded in. Pedals on the bottom there. Funny looking brake pedal. Looks like a fuel pedal. Almost like a semi-truck. And that's about all for that one. Here's the box. Decent. Nice detail. Nothing on the bottom. And these little hooks right here, they're what go into the back of the cab, which is here. Well, it's upside down. My thumb got stuck. The back of the cab has little grooves, like a little keyway, and then that would just click. Maybe no, goes in and slides down, or it doesn't even do that. It just clicks in like that. Well, straighter, but you know, you get the idea. Kind of weird that it's got the little slots on it, because the pin on here doesn't have a skinny part to where it would slide up in there. Alright, here's the chassis, which is really heavy duty. I mean, I almost can't bend it. Nice detail on the bottom. You'll be able to paint up a lot of detail on there. Fuel tank, muffler, spare tire, transmission, cross member, all kinds of goodies in there. 4-wheel drive system. Nice. And let's see what we got here. We have the tailgate itself is in a bag, and the front grille section, and then this is the mirrors, side mirrors. Might as well leave them in the bag. Nothing else going on there. Here are the seats. Alright, the front seats, and this is the dashboard. And I don't know what this piece is. It looks like the back of the seats. Yep. I don't know if you can see it there. There's the back of these seats here. Alrighty. Here we have the front bumper. I don't know if you can see it real well. Try it that way. There's the front bumper. I think it goes that way. Steering wheel and column. Very nice. Simple kit, but kind of neat looking. It looks like it'll be a fun little build. Now the screws, we get 3 screws. That's interesting because I think it's 4 holes. I'll have to look back on the instructions real quick, but there's 3 screws and 2 axles. And we have the windshield and tail lights, and the rear window. Wait, that's the rear window, tail lights, and side, these lights here, the headlights. You can see them in the, yeah, right there, the headlights. That's those. They must load in from the back because the windshield was in a separate bag already. And here's 4 tires, and they are I don't know. If I knew where my scissors were. Here they are. These are Firestones. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Very nice tread on them. It says Firestone on both sides. Radial ATX. Very nice. Now let me go back real quick and look at the instructions. Of course, I buried it under all the pieces of model car. Well, it is only 3 screws. Isn't that something? Got 2 for the front, and then 1 for the back that holds the interior. Well, you can't see it. There you go. The one holds the interior to the chassis, and the other 2 go to the front to hold the front end up in there. Well, that's it, folks. That's all she wrote on that one. I hope everyone has a great day. Well, thank you all for stopping by, and we'll catch you on the next one. Model Car Guy, reach out. Keep on modeling.